Hello, this is Kelly. We are in the Global South Show in Hong Kong. This is our new product, HDMI 2.2. We also call the Ultra 19.6 HDMI. You can see the HDMI cable.
You say 16K support.
16K.
What is the quality of the cable?
This is the aluminum shape, and this connector is the gold plate connector. Yes.
And here's some boxes that you have for the different products here. Here you also say 96 gigabit per second, and it looks like this. Can you show some more cables? What you have here?
Yes. Come to here. This
So it says
is,
HDMI 2.2.
Yes. And this one is the HDMI 2.1 cable. You can see.
How many cables your factory is making?
We make many cables like HDMI cable, DP cable. This is a DP 2.1 cable, and this one is the HDMI 2.1 cable. This, and this is the
Active optical.
Yes, AOC HDMI cable, and like this is the 4K HDMI cable. Usually we call the HDMI 2.0 cable. This one is the more thin HDMI cable.
Ultra thin.
Yes, ultra thin.
How's the quality of this?
It's the PVC jacket.
Right.
Yes.
So here you show a little bit. It's a little bit the factory.
Yes.
Where is the factory?
Our factory is in Zhongshan, nearby Zhuhai.
So near Zhuhai.
Yes. This is our factory, and the machine is used to make the cable.
Wow.
Yes. It's the,
How many cables you can make every month?
we can make
Million? Many cables.
yes, about 1 million cable.
Per month, no problem.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah, I also see here this is Type C.
Yes.
Type C cables, many different Type C.
This
DisplayPort.
one is the DP 2.1 cable.
Looks like this. And if you have a look here, so these boxes also, you have customer that can customize. They can have their logo on it. What is MOQ?
We also make a 1,000 piece is our MOQ. Yes.
Nice. And the price quality is very good.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Actually, we have the best price of the cable because our cable manufacturing. Yes.
Nice. And if you walk around here, here's a Type C collection. So you do 60 watt, 100 watt.
Yes, 60 watt like this cable. It's a silicone is more soft cable, and this one is a aluminum shape. Like this. This one is the eco-friendly cable. This is the straw material and the TPE. And we have many colors, like many color bright jacket like the green, pink, and purple. The normal is the white and the black.
Is it possible to have like very high watt and also very high data at the same time?
Yes, we can make the 60 watt, 100 watt, and 240 watt. Cable.
And also at the same time 40 gigabit per second or even 80?
Yeah.
You have 80 gigabit per second speed?
Yes.
All right, cool. And here you have a lot of cables hanging. What do you show about these cables? Just to show the style, the quality.
It's the soft, also the silicone cable. It's very soft feeling touching.
Nice. And this one here, it says
This one is
40
the,
gigabit.
40 Gbps. This one is the USB4 cable.
Right. So, how old is your company? How long you do these products? You do HDMI for many years?
Yes, we from the 2012 our factory. Yes.
And what is this one? Can you show? Ooh, sorry. I'm so sorry.
No.
Okay.
This one is the HDMI AOC cable. It's the more safe than the HDMI cable, and it can have some more.
So you have like a connector right here, HDMI 2.1. It can do many meters, 50 meter.
AOC cable can up to 100 meter is okay. Yes.
Nice.
It can
100
more,
meter.
Yeah, it can
Here's
more,
20 meter.
long distance than the HDMI cable, and because it's the normal HDMI cable, if we do the long meter, it will more strong, and this one is the same.
So this is passive. All right. What is the length on this one? Yeah.
This one is the HDMI 2.1 cable. Yes.
All right. And you also have this material here. Really nice cables.
Yes.
All right. And you have customers all over the world?
Yes.
Yeah.
Our client is from Asia.
Asia?
Yes, and UK and Spanish and
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.